channel, Car Story with Anthony. Today we're going to take a look at my brother's 93 Mustang convertible. Let's start with the hood on this Mustang. This is a Cervini fiberglass hood, and now let's check out what's under it. As you can see, it looks pretty much stock. Let me tell you some of the upgrades that I did for my brother on his car throughout the years. We'll start with, there's a K&N flat panel air filter in here, which was popular back then. Then let's move on to the silicone hose kit. You have this one here, and there's two more back there, and a lower hose, which is a little harder to get to. Then we'll move on to the upgraded alternator. Then we'll move over to the strut tower brace. And beneath the car, there's a G-load brace that's also installed. And on the frames on convertibles, which are a little bit flexible because you cut the roof off the car, we added welded in subframe connectors. Now on this side of the engine, you can see the exhaust headers that I installed, which gives you a little more power, and that's made it to a stock exhaust system. On my brother's car, we also added drilled rotors for better braking. And then we come to the back of the car. We also added a 1993 Mustang. It was a limited edition model. So we used the spoiler, and then we got a deck lid in lieu of using the original one. And as you can see in the video, this color is changing as we're moving around it. So my brother, he came to me back in 1996, and he says, I want you to put a custom paint job on my car. So the original color is reef blue. So he wanted to keep something that was a little bit closer to the door jambs, because the reef blue has like a greenish blue tone to it. So we chose the PPG Harlequin color, green to purple. And I think in the shot you should be able to see the color going purple and green. And those are, it flips many different colors than these two. Hopefully we can capture that on film. And this is an original owner. Original, all body panels are original except for the fiberglass hood and the deck lid that was replaced, but he retains the original panels that were taken off. It's almost like a time capsule for the Fox body Mustang. These were fun cars back in the 90s when they came out, because you can get a V8 fuel injected, and then they're so easily modified. and then having a convertible just makes it that much more fun. Now we're going to move into the interior of the Mustang. Here we have the airbag, steering wheel, the 140-mile-an-hour speedometer. Move over to the AM/FM cassette, 5-speed manual, center console with gray cloth interior. Just a nice example of an original interior Mustang.